Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's workout will be a 5-minute workout with the yoga block, and we will be doing tabatas with 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's get started with the block between our knees in a boat pose, and we're just going to be changing our arms from first underneath our hamstrings to above, keeping our back nice and lengthened, belly button to spine, no tension in the head or the neck, toes pointed, and knees are bent about 90 degrees. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, we will be doing bicycles sitting on our glutes, passing the block underneath our legs. So roll those shoulders back, nice and open chest, belly button to spine, squeezing our core. This is also a great mobilization exercise for your hips. Keep going for 30 seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take a quick 10-second break. Next, we're going to place the block between our feet and we're going to prop ourselves up on our elbows, belly button to spine, roll those shoulders back as we do our leg lowers. So we do leg lowers for 40 seconds. Ensure that your back is not arching. Belly button to spine, lift the legs all the way up and only lift them as far down as you can without arching your back. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. This next exercise does not require any equipment, so we're going to roll all the way down onto our back with our legs above us, and we're going to crisscross our legs in front as we lower our legs. Option to take your hands underneath your seat if you find it difficult to keep your back flat on the floor. Also option to lift your head and your neck if you want to challenge yourself a little bit extra. Keep rotating the legs and crisscross your legs to cross your inner thighs. Keep going for 24 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. For this next one, we're going to place the block in between our heels. We're going to lift our upper body with our legs above us and tap our opposite elbow to opposite knee once, then back to the center. Tap it to the other knee once, back to the center. Grab the block and then open the legs to a second position or to a straddle and bring it back. Repeat. Opposite elbow to knee, back to center, opposite elbow to knee, back to center. Grab the block without bending the knees, open the legs and back. Keep going, keeping your upper back lifted the entire time. Back is flat along the floor except for the upper back. Finishing the last one. Next, we have a low plank. Option to tap one knee down at a time. So get ready in 3, 2, 1. On our elbows in a low plank. Again, option to tap the knee down and up for the last 20 seconds. You can even start now if you're up for the challenge. Otherwise, keep your belly button moving towards your spine. Keep your head and your neck in line with your back. If you are going to be tapping those knees down, make sure it's one knee at a time and nothing moves except for that leg that's bending. You're just gently tapping the knee down. Keep going for 11 more seconds. Finishing that low plank. Next, we have a side plank, once again on our elbows with hip dips for 20 seconds on each side. So let's get ready, propped up on our elbow, and we dip our hips down and up for 20 seconds on this side, then we'll switch to the other side. Go ahead and switch sides. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You guys are done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.